Stellantis considers Leapmotor EV production in Canada. Stellantis, the multinational automotive manufacturer, is exploring the possibility of assembling Chinese-made electric vehicles at its currently unused Brampton, Ontario facility. This move would mark a significant step toward internationalizing production and potentially reshaping the North American EV landscape. Leapmotor, the key partner. The discussions center around Leapmotor, a Chinese EV company in which Stellantis already holds a 20% stake through its joint venture, Leapmotor International, 51% owned by Stellantis. While talks remain preliminary, the potential for Leapmotor to become the first Chinese automaker with manufacturing operations in Canada is now on the table. Strategic shift and economic context. The Brampton plant has been idle since 2023 when Stellantis scrapped plans to build a Jeep Compass there, shifting production to the United States following tariff threats from the Trump administration. This decision underscores how quickly geopolitical and trade factors can alter manufacturing strategies. Bringing Leapmotor into the mix could represent a calculated move to diversify production and potentially mitigate future trade risks. Not a state-owned enterprise unlike many other Chinese automakers, Leapmotor is not directly state-owned. However, it does receive funding from state-backed investment groups. This distinction may appeal to North American governments seeking to balance economic cooperation with security concerns. What's next? Stellantis has neither confirmed nor denied the report, stating only that it is actively evaluating future programs for the Brampton facility and seeking long-term commitment that supports workers and suppliers. The company's cautious tone suggests that negotiations are ongoing and no immediate announcements are expected. The timing is crucial. North American demand for EVs is growing, and Stellantis is positioning itself to capitalize on this trend. However, logistical hurdles, regulatory approvals, and potential political resistance could delay or derail the project. The success of this venture hinges on balancing cost efficiencies with geopolitical realities and ensuring a stable, long-term investment environment in Canada. For now, Canadian consumers shouldn't expect to see Leapmotor vehicles on roads this year, but the possibility remains real.